Passion in the culinary arts sector may result from taking culinary arts courses. Chefs, bakers, pastry chefs, caterers, and managers of food and beverages are just a few of the many professionals in the culinary arts business. Students who take culinary arts classes will gain the knowledge and abilities needed to prepare and cook a variety of cuisines. Among other things, students study knife skills, cooking methods, food presentation, and food safety and cleanliness. Also, they might get the chance to focus on things like baking, pastry arts, or other cuisines. Graduates who successfully complete a culinary arts course are eligible to work in the field. They might be employed by eateries, lodging facilities, caterers, or other businesses involved with the food industry. Some graduates might even launch their own firms, such food trucks or caterers. Although tough, a career in the culinary arts can be rewarding. It calls for a trifecta of imagination, aptitude, and labor. Successful chefs are enthusiastic about cuisine and love working in a busy setting. They also need to be good communicators because they frequently work in teams. In general, taking culinary arts classes can be an excellent approach to launch a career in the field. They give pupils the fundamental know-how and abilities required for success in this fascinating and dynamic industry.